One, two. All right. So, good morning, guys, from wherever you are watching this video. Um, yeah, it's cool here, over here, and we are back again in it. Since we last met, I think it was yesterday around 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. ish, and I promised to be back in New York. I didn't come back live because I got home a bit late, and yesterday night the market was a bit slow. I was not seeing any move per se on the markets, but it's currently 5:30, I think, 5:30 a.m. Uh, Wednesday morning. Want to see what's happening. Although I've checked the market, like scanned it through other lenses, and clearly you can see there's no been major development on the market besides gold. Gold actually, I don't know what's happening, but gold has really pushed, right? So if you see this one, clearly you can see we had a new development, sub-record structure over here. Gold has finally broke this structure. I think gold should be having a completely different strategy of trading. Because this is a 1 hour time frame, and this is what I was seeing. Finally, we got a breakout structure on this zone. Breakout structure. This market actually, I don't know what was happening. I was really sure market was going to reverse from here, but look what has happened um this morning. Hmm? Market woke up with a lot of pumping pressure. Actually, I was sure we're going to have a reaction on this zone, but it is what it is. All right. So that's it. Gold, and it's still pumping. Actually, it is still pumping. It is still pumping, 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 pumping to the zones above. So that's only to be there. But let's see how gold will trade from this zone. All right. I see that was exactly what we're looking at. We're looking here to sell at that particular zone, at least or a retracement, but it has not happened. Uh, and we did not trade otherwise. So anyway, for our continuation, mm, okay, let's now see how price going to react to that zone. Yeah, so that's good for you guys. I will have to see how price interact to this zone. If you're going to have some rejections, then you'll see and everything in that particular angle. All right. So as you see, previously my expectation or my reaction was gold going to respect at this zone here and perhaps push a retrace somewhere here, but that did not happen. That did not happen. Gold continued to push. Yeah, so that's why my setup was invalidated. Um, Initially, you can see gold was in a channel. Let me show you. Gold was in this channel and having a lot of multiple resistance here and everything. Um, I was believed that after taking liquidity above this zone here, with no much extra liquidity here, I was pretty sure that market is going to reverse, not only because it's coming to a trend line, but because of a couple of reasons. One of the reasons was market was in a downtrend. As you can see, break of structures, and again liquidity over these highs here was taken. So I was very much sure to enter that trade, and I had a trade confirmation. As you can see here, liquidity was swept. It was a market structure shift. Price came to a demand zone. I mean to a supply zone. Let me just say an order block, and we are ready to take our trade, but it did not happen. So again, when that one happened, this was a strong zone that was broken to, and I was expecting, after collecting this liquidity, I was expecting to see a reaction after the test before maybe looking forward to do what? To continue selling. So we waited for that particular moment, but it has not happened though. Market has broken the structure above and is continuing to do what? To buy. So in this moment, there is less to what we can do besides waiting. All right. There is less to what we can do besides waiting. So, and our waiting might be we might eat good or we might look for the 200. So these are the ones that ultimately you're going to really uh, see price heading to. All right. So that is it for gold. Let's look at a review of DXY. DXY finally came to the zone, although it failed to tap whatever it was looking at here, but it tried to come. Here you can see it tried to come to whatever I instructed it to do. You see, it may not have touched the demand on, because it clearly was something. If it was swept in, now it has come to the zone that actually we really wanted it to do what? To come. All right. So you need just to put this reaction there in the GXY. And you see when it comes to the particular zone, um, since this was more like a mirror for the knee, like that. If this zone is respected, then we should see price coming to take out this low. That's what I'm looking at. All right. If that low is taken, then you can see price coming to take out that low. But of course, consider there's liquidity above, so price can come and collect liquidity, go and come back. That's actually what we're looking at the moment. If you draw a trend line here, I'm not someone who trades trend line and entirely, but I just sometimes use it for some of my conferences and entries. Yeah, if you draw a trend line there, price is beautifully reacting a zone over here. Now I'll be expecting to see market dropping all the way here, although we can have liquidity sweep over here and here to get look for some drops. Huh? Let's see if this mirrors what we are opening in Euro USD. I think this is so more clear. Euro USD. Guys, I think this was more of a market call. All right. So this has come down already. You know, of course, you know, we missed that trade because it did not. Um, it did not like really touch our market. I think maybe with an with kind of an extreme zone. So market did not um, fully tap to the zone per se, but yeah, that's what we have. We did not get that trade. So I can just put a continuation there. Let's be there where it was. So here you can see market moved as perceived, although we didn't get enough entry. How do you write the word perceived? Although we did not get enough um, entry confirmations. Okay. Right. So in this 4 hour time frame, mhm, So we have that. We're still looking for some buys. Mm, hmm. Um, we might have something like this. Mm. We might have something like that. We might have that a deep, then then a continuation. It might really happen, right? I think some stuff applies with this one. Um, we also missed that entry confirmations. As you can see, we're expecting price at least react, and I think we were just not keen enough because price gave. We're really waiting for the price to react on this extreme supply. All right, that's what we were waiting for. But it did not happen. It has not happened in the higher time frame. So I think these are pair that I'm still watching because the price is coming over here and we were expecting to do some. We could have gotten some nice sales, more than 90 pips. Okay, but anyway, it is what it is. So I think may neglect kuiangalia because it has been not that kind to us. I think this morning I'm doing less of analysis, just more of a reconciliation. This one, SD card. What we look at SD card? Oh, you look at this the time frame. Hmm. These pairs are really discouraging. You see, I don't see any clear thing, any clear pattern or clear thing on them. AUDSD, where are we currently? We are seeing what? Mm-hmm. Could this be the sign for a drop now? Mm. Just one more limit opportunity. There was a break of structure here. I mean liquidity see. Yes, yes. Break of structure. So as far as we are concerned, we have a break of structure in the hourly time frame. Mm-hmm. You're going to tell self you have taken this law. Okay. Hey, B hakuna hapa. Guys, look at me. We didn't analyze this pair this week. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll just get to it when we are in one good trade. Okay. Hii pia tulimiss kidogo. Nia ikutrip yote or entry whatever. We had a liquidity sweep. I was expecting a retracement to it not happen though, but yeah, it's not really a miss trade. Check out when you so long as it's still running. Not yet something there. This again is still coming through, so looking for a way for market would come to that. This area here, over here. Might still be able to take some trades. Ili tuacha vibaya sana. But okay, because company sawa. Let's see if it will come back here. You see? Um, breakout structure. Um, inducement. We expect market to go and break structure. It did not. Now it has come to change structure over here. And yes, can expect to react there and still broken. CAD, GPY. Analyze this pair this week, but I can sense a lot of some bearish pressure coming in. If you're not wrong. Breakout structure with a market structure shift over here. Liquidity. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I think we could break our structure to the upside. Mm. I think if market pushes to that level, there's a clear otherwise. I think of taking perhaps a sell. I think of taking a sell. So this zone, about 40 to 45 pips. Yeah, yeah, snip it. UJ has always been not. I think it's now behaving. UJ has always not been my friend for some time now. With these consolidations and everything, I refuse to make friends. CHF, JPY again, we were speaking over here for quite some time. It has really stopped being my good friend. GJ, not yet settled on it. And Nasdaq finally TP was hit. It is Nasdaq sometimes can be crazy. You see, a 5:2 ratio. A 5:2 ratio. This was last week. Last week it gave us 6. It's just 5. So I think NASDAQ is a pair that I really want to start trading it seriously because I can see it's like it respects price action, and that's something that I really like about markets that do that. Clearly, it really does. It really does respect price action, or rather my analysis. Okay, starting ilikuwa inanisumbua kidogo, but let's see how I'm going to behave. Um, let's see how it is going to behave today, especially having seen a lot of liquidity above it. Will it really push to this zone before selling? Something we need to check and see. BTC, we got an entry last week. Want to see how BTC is going to behave. BTC actually is a pair that I'm still monitoring. Try to see if it still aligns with my wisdom. So, so that is it. I think I don't have much from that. Those are the pairs that I just be trading this week. Be trading to see. This was more of a market the higher time frame. Let's see if gold will at least retrace back, but yeah, majorly. Let's see if it's going to retrace back. I might go up apple. Okay. Yeah. So that's what we want to test and see. Uh, then we'll be good to go. So yeah. So I think guys, I don't have much to say when it comes to that. That actually is what has happened. That's what has happened. Sina ya kuongezea na sina ya kutoa. Alright. Sina ya kuongeza na sina ya kutoa. So that's what actually has happened in the market. The week has been so far sluggish a bit. But let's see how everything will go. Alright. Alright, so that is it, guys. I hope you start your morning very well, and I hope your day is going also to be successful. So that marks the end of this live stream. Today it has been a short one. And just follow through and see what we're having through the day. And yeah, that's forex at times. You don't have to spend 3 hours in the market to be seen that you're doing something. No. Remember these pairs, I'm not analyzing them for the first time. We analyzed them on Monday, on Tuesday, yesterday, tumekuwa tukiziangalia. So it's just more of a follow-up of the market, how market is reacting and everything. All right. Yeah, so it's not more about you're starting to analyze every other time. No, it's just follow up, adjust where market has broken structure, where market is still within a structure. You just keep following it up. You can see this one, we are making a follow up of how market has reacted, and we're getting to see interesting facts, interesting things happening now in the market, and we are following through. We are also following through to clearly see how best we can take our trades. We're also cautious of different zones that we are in. For example, right now we are going to be cautious about buys. We're going to look for buys for EU and GU, but mostly EU. That's where I'm so much interested with the buys, because GU, I can clearly see market can just come direct on this imbalance here and drop further here. So I'm so much concerned about that. AUD cards, well, I don't know why AUD USD looks like it wants to give me some sales, although something prior to confirmation. All right. And to see, so it will just be more of a follow up on the market to see what is happening in the market, and mambo kama hayo. So don't have to take long on that, just a few reconciliation and we're done. So that's what we've done in this live stream. Have a good Have a good day.